Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with the essential checks and the first actionable steps. Verify your joist spacing and matching clip profile, then position the first board at the fascia. Once aligned, insert the first clip between boards so its flange sits on the joist. Screw the clip to the joist until snug, not overdriven. Make sure the board is seated fully against the clip shoulder. From here, move along the joist placing clips every 12 to 16 inches to keep spacing consistent as you go. Once the starter row is secure, continue the process across the deck with attention to detail. Stagger butt joints by at least 2 joists and maintain expansion gaps of about 1/8 inch. Slide the next board into the clipped row, ensuring each clip engages the board profile before you fasten it. Use a spacer and straight edge to keep a straight line and check level frequently. Tighten screws progressively. Don't fully torque one clip then ignore the next, so boards seat evenly and avoid localized stress. To finish, trim the final boards for a consistent edge and maintain that 1/8 inch end gap for thermal movement. For the last row, use fascia-specific clips or face screw the board through the top where required. Countersink and seal screws if using composite. Once done, clean debris from gaps and inspect all clip screws. If you hear squeaks or see movement, check clip alignment and resync any high screws. Realigning a clip or tightening its screw usually resolves the issue without removing boards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.